Yes! Oh! My name is Taylor Walden with the core team. We're out here in Seymour, Texas today at the Texas Shootout rocket launch for the AAA Texas Rocketry Club. We are out here launching a rocket that we have built together with the core team, USA Mortgage, in McKinney, Texas. This rocket is a full-scale IQSY Tomahawk. It is 16 feet long. It is a 9-inch diameter. It's going to weigh 197 pounds on the pad fully loaded. This project originally started as a husband-wife project once I obtained my level 3 certification. And once I told my team about the project we were working on, they wanted to be a part of it. And so we are launching this today with the core team, and we are taking our branding to a whole nother level. And the fact that the team wanted to be involved in this project just goes to show that we want to be a part of our employees' lives, whether that's in the office or outside of the office. So to be able to build this project with the core team really means a lot, that this family is everything. So this rocket is the largest rocket that we have built, that we will launch. It is the largest motor that we will be launching, and the parachute is also the largest parachute we have ever had in a rocket. We are very excited for this project. So today we have sunny and clear skies, which is beautiful. We are dealing with a little bit of wind. It is Texas, so we are dealing with 15 to 20 mile an hour winds. We are hoping that for our launch, we have winds at 15 to 16 miles an hour where we will be able to launch this rocket. We also want to thank the core team, USA Mortgage, for sponsoring this launch.